Guys, pwede pa tour?
Yes, ma'am.
Teka, ano trabaho nyo dito?
Tour guide.
Ah, tourist guide.
Tour po namin kayo. Ito po ang garden ng Eco Park.
Oh, Eco Park?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God.
It's so amazing.
Gusto niyo pa bang umakyat doon? Sure, why not?
There's more.
Sarap ka na. Wait, there's more?
Yes.
Really? Yeah.
The Ilog Pasig.
Oh my God.
A second Ilog Pasig. Guys.
They a lot of fun. Fun? Really?
Yeah.
Are you Pinoy?
Yeah. Oh, hindi pala tayo mahirapan.
Grabe, nosebleed na kami ma'am kanina. Sorry guys.
Ito po. Puntang Lamesa Dam. Tayo dyan patasarap.
Anong lugar to guys?
Pupunta pong Lamesa Dam. Yeah. Alam mo na.
Alam.
So you want to see Lamesa Dam, ma'am?
Yes. Sure, why not?
It's
So beautiful.
Pang.
Nakakapagod ah. It's so pagod.
Yeah.
You want to take a picture, ma'am? Ano yun?
Picture mo yung ano sa phone mo.
You want to take a picture?
A picture.
Wait lang.
Yes.
It'll take a while. You want to join? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Alas tuteng kotek.
Tapos na mo. Tapos na.